Step 1. Verify your game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on Elden Ring, and select Properties. Now click on the Installed Files tab and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and fix any missing or corrupted files that might be causing the crash. Step 2. Run the game as administrator. Click Browse in Steam to open the game's install folder. Find the main.exe file, usually the largest one. Right-click it, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Now try launching the game again to see if it works. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager by typing it into the Windows search bar. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If nothing updates, go to your GPU maker's site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest driver manually, install it, and restart your PC. That's it. After these steps, your Elden Ring crashing issue should be fixed. If it worked for you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more tips.